This vlog is not for kids. The Jamaica man not do it.
Good pound yes and them good pound face. What you say? I'm gonna talk on them so that's what pussy them gonna kill you.
So I'm in the supermarket. I have to buy little stuff for the food that I'm cooking today. My tongue. They have strawberry, fruit punch. I like cheese. I might mix it. We can mix fruit punch and orange. I cook stewed chicken. Oh, the soup, you know. Probably want coconut milk to cook your rice and peas. Which one better, powder or milk? Let me go look some rice now. We want 5 pounds of rice. This is 3. So I guess a 6 pound I take it. 6 pounds. I think that's 6 pounds. See how Jamaica stay then bag up this sitting differently. 1 pound of rice. More sugar to make it a juice.
These are the rice they have, but they use the rice they have, and then they use the...
Oh, parboil?
No, it's alright.
No, so how Jamaica rice there?
I don't see anything but a cheap rice and the things you that stick to it, you know, but it's alright.
But I not cook your rice and peas. Sugar. White sugar. It's so clean.
You just take a pot. Smaller one there. Look over top, the smaller one is on the middle.
Yeah.
That's smaller than
this. Yeah, okay. Yes. But then seasoning, I like jerk sauce and stuff. Oh, scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, I can use that if they don't have jerk seasoning. This must nice. From coming here, I'm gonna look for a person we just like take up like oh god. I'm on butter. So Irish, scallion, thyme and stuff. So let me sit and season it and garlic. It hurt me when I was like outside at the little stall with the guy selling like the little produce or whatever. But yeah, I just came from the grocery store and I said I spent like about 7,000 on mash, like 7.5. And I got the stuff for the little cooking that I'm doing. And then I buy like garlic and scallion and thyme and stuff and potato for cut up in a meat. And that was like what, $400. And I was trying to find some carrot, but nobody had no carrot. The rest did have carrot, but it was like I didn't like how they look. But yeah, you know, buy 1 bottle of rum or Pepsi, you know, sit down and drink. And yeah, we'll have vibes. So now I'm about to head back up and, you know, season up the meat and stuff. I wear no makeup today because first of all it's like raining like crazy outside, and like I can't put on makeup every day because like I feel like I see like some bumps coming up on my face, and I don't have all my skincare products with me because I wasn't going to strain with all of that. So like my face is kind of going through it right now, and like, you know, And my aunt was like, no, put on your makeup, you're going to Jamaica, everybody see you sitting there, you have to make sure your face sitting there. I'm like, I don't have time for that. If you can't take me as I am, then you can't take me with look like potato or something. Or banana. I don't know. Whatever is the best food out there. Yeah, you have to take me as I am. Yeah. I'm gonna eat my chicken pot, you know. And I'll see you guys when I'm gonna go season up the chicken. Alright guys, so I just finished spicing up the stewed chicken. I'm gonna let that sit for like about 15-20 minutes before I start cooking. Guys, I mix drinks and everybody say too sweet, so too sweet. We put sugar, tongue, and syrup. And they say too sweet. So I'm gonna dilute it.
What about water? Like,
Are you gonna fill that with water?
no.
Up here? Oh.
That's what I'm water.
Oh. My cousin's sexy. My cousin's sexy. Alright, is it better?
What about that?
What, too sweet? No!
No, it's gonna make you work with diabetes.
It's sweet?
Yes.
Well, suppose I'm not going to yourself.
Amanda? What the fuck am I doing that? Sandy Davis then.
So I just put the meat in the pot, so now it's just gonna have to spring its own water and steam. Alright guys, we just add the water and it's seasoned and the pot of bubble. You know I don't wash rice.
Why?
I just don't.
It's insurance, so she don't wash peas.
She don't wash peas. Well, I wash peas. I don't wash rice. And,
You see when Auntie Vita wash rice? So Auntie Vita wash rice. I close.
Eat.
So, Auntie Vita wash rice. You know what's in that pipe? So you have to use water.
Yeah. Still water there. Country life. Rice and peas. The chicken pan here. My grandaunt raised chicken. Look at them eating. Didn't think. I see stewed chicken here. I cook rice and peas and a little vegetable, and then fill up my plate. I'm gonna still eat it though. Nice and hot. Nice. Let me see. Let me see. That's it, and this is mine. Alright. One, two, true. What took you so long, Phil? What took you so long?
Reasoning.
Reasoning?
Nothing like what you think.
You sure?
Me sure. 199,000% sure.
You see your face come on skin?
No, I'm serious. No.
You sure say that get some?
No, I didn't.
That's too picky?
No. I'm sorry. Can't do cricket.
You sure?
You're too grown.
How it food taste?
Chicken.
Oh, it tastes
Bad.
bad.
A bad man.
Bad.
I want to taste like a sit down in a
Just sit down. Oh, guys. I drink some rum and I'm feeling it now. I feel tired. And it's raining outside. Night I come down. And you know that. Want my boyfriend?
I don't know about
Oh, good.
Tell them who I want.
You want one? I need one.
Eh?
That's I need one.
You need one?
Yeah.
You think I will give it?
No. Tisha, you want some man?
Refill.
Say it again.
No panic over my auntie give me just water.
You
Guys,
can drink
I just
it.
say I can refill.
Refill. You go want refill?
So give me a little bit of food and one of juice.
You want more food there?
I'm hungry.
You can't tell that thing about food and juice.
She hungry. She just woke up her appetite. Oh God. I don't talk to people like that. Yeah. I'll search, but I have to find one for myself first.
Exactly.
Okay. Oh boy.
So I search them to people and I'm for yourself.
Find somebody nice.
I like when I know to find man for first.
Hello, yeah, man.
No, I'm not a man. A man just left me.
Yes, money, man.
Somebody I look for me.
Yes. Money, man.
You're too far, you have big people in your talk, you're like a girl.
She older than me. Older than me.
Well,
You can't go
is
on.
that the first time I halfway eat from Mikayla?
You half eat from him?
Halfway.
Halfway, I eat from
you.
you.
Halfway. And the one that tastes like
Like,
our granny and teacher will.
Granny, I teach you?
Yeah, she a teacher.
Yeah.
And everybody knows you write some pieces laugh for a long time.
When you don't know,
Wait, say when you done you go ball because what? Where you go ball?
Where we are, man?
Yeah. We don't know what that means.
So that weird.
Time is soon and then
Me I eat when me finish eating for my ear.
This is one who is here now. I used to come to here so often.
Me too. What about you then? Me?
Then he shot 3,000.
Oh God. Alright. Man wanna have all the girls that wanna sit in there, but like once you want somebody or you find somebody, you didn't get vexed.
Achoo.
Like why?
It's happening right now, guys. I have a spouse and then cheat me go and cheat me come, guys. I'm say cheat me mean like girls see me a road and a fuck around me, you know. Like girls see me a road and a throw away, you know. Like girl I text her my phone, you know, and them something there, you know, people. And me are the idiot one, you know, people, you know. Me say loyalty over royalty. You see it? Loyalty over royalty, brother. But you don't know say Sissy move now. What it word? You're not a part of this conversation. But you don't know say people so when I come man down at the supermarket or work and I'm like I used to get man have money in their work and wow, so you know some family send but they come free. And me I go and text I want to go all 60-year-old man, you know. But me I go and text him and I want to call it to you, know, me not into the call it thing because I say, me love it, ting, and me say them not have nothing, so me not really do.
They have this.
Hey! Can I say wait, you not get it done before? Yes! I never got it. So wait, all they said Jamaica man not do it.
Breakfast lunch I do that what you say? Them good pound yes and them good pound face. What you say?
If people are gonna like that
Right
bag
now-
here.
Right now, me I tell you say, guys, my man not do it, you know. Me like try making do it one time, but in catch up for me too quick.
No, but like how do you start for making
But why? We saying good? You know, say that I really and truly, you know, that mama love the boy. They say, you know, him can walk, you know, and him have a good sense. And I tell you, and a something, girl.
Something
to talk about.
And him sister me jealous of. We am just don't want to boy to nothing really but do give me. Day and night.
Yes.
If it told me the body.
Living the life, crab. Living the life, crab.
Oh God.
But I'm not serious. I mean by all them did. Ask if they get.
No, like how do you? Okay, so say me no. Like I've only like been with Jamaica man or whatever, and like then claims that they don't do it, but like they want me to sit in it, and you know I do it because like you know whatever. But like how do you make them do it? You just push them down or you just like
No. If you do them, but he's like, hey, like it one. You want even?
wait, and let me say one more thing. Suppose I say yo they not do it, or there's something they not gonna do.
Don't rush them, man. Give them all the loving what they want, and all the kindness and all the niceness. What you say, alright then girls. I'm a birthday, I come up with a man and we want for your birthday, babe. Don't ask a question, you know. Hey, Jesus Christ, God of the you know me want for my birthday? I want soccer chow. Exactly what my birthday. Soccer chow. Hey, one time tell a man say the man say me a fool, you know. I said, what you mean by me a fool? The man say, you don't have to tell me say you want soccer chow for your birthday. That's the first thing on the menu. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I say, alright. Anyway, guys, I tell you me just go about this. I want to tell you how to make a man do it first.
Alright.
First of all, the man have to rate you. It's a Jamaican man if you talk on them, so they suck pussy, them going to kill you. So, you have to make him man rate you and have the confidence in you. Say, yes, so that you're not going to talk. I will know you're going to tell your friend and say, come on, die. Just make him feel the confidence there. I'm tell you how you get him near me, man. First thing you have to do is season the breast. You know how to season the breast?
You mean season the breast?
Rub it and panny, man. Rub it and panny and rub it panny.
I rub it panny nipple.
And then first suck on your mean.
Wait, you're
Sign that. Feed up yourself.
feel up myself?
Feed up yourself. Feed up yourself. Feed up yourself. I rub it panny.
Pan my breast?
Yes!
Alright.
Yes! So you saw the innocent.
No, let's try that. Okay.
So that's the first sign. So you know, say, hey, the boy, taste, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So you first. This one time I kiss up your hand. Kiss up, you know. Kiss up your neighbor. You see, if I reach a neighbor, we near my front. So you bring them on the neighbor, and you bring them on the neighbor. And you take time, tip up. Take time, tip up, man, tip up. So if you take your tip up in tongue, go itch to the side, tip up, man, itch to the side. And you take the top tip until it tongue reach ya. You see, funny reach ya. Near me. In nine tap near me.
Oh God.
I'm doing the Saturday, yeah, which fruit.
So it feel nice?
Jesus Christ!
You can't believe I'm 21 years old. I never experienced it and then sitting there.
May I get this? May I get it from your
15? Russ! So long? Russ.
I may tell you guys, is he first? I'm tell you one white man is that talk to name Maurice.
You don't talk about you too. You want me to edit that?
Me no business.
Oh, alright.
There's no shame.
I used to talk to the one white guy now. Oh my God, the white guy yard in the morning. I'm best say my God, the white guy yard. Oh my God, the white guy yard, you know. The man never have no good Caxton guy. I'm about 70 years, you know, saying Caxton never done good. And I go and I say, what is a man I can do for me? Because I can't, but I will look up. I don't like not tickle my brother. Me make for them something there, so me decide say yeah that me want. And when me did I lie down, I say sir, you're not doing anything. You see by the time if you say sir, hey, shaka love my mama. Right now guys, when time me I beard me have to use my finger pushing back a click away come down. I don't know, no man. Me say me a walk. And the man tap me for being over back again. Carry your jaws in the house. Yeah, me.
Wait, from back?
I did batty tongo. You can't stand it. Hey, you have some real guys out there.
Wait.
Me not lie.
You have some of them, but we do it only if they like if you're in a relationship, like only if they respect you, so then we do it. But some of them, they just ban for they don't want to know you, they don't want to know nothing but they don't want to know if you're clean, they just want
Yeah, that boy.
Girl, me tell you, no, for seriously, I have some real guys out there where I tell you, Kayla, you say you get a real somebody to do it, girl. Hello, brother, you don't want to have sex.
Some of them we bite you, you don't
penis.
want nobody else to bite you.
I don't want nobody with a wet you for make you feel like a piece of yourself. No, man.
No?
You want, you know the thing named dry tongue? You want dry tongue with strawberry or ice. Not beat that, baby. You ever squirt?
Whipped cream.
Sweat?
Squirt.
Yes, when I finger myself. When the guy never made me squirt before.
Jesus, but me no know. But boy, me tell you, when time I get that all in my mouth, in my nose, in my ear, in my ears, stuff like.
Yes.
Up in there.
So
You never squirt?
you never squirt yet then? So about body wash? Like not like you ever would you eat a guy's ass?
No, I would have never sucked dick either.
You also could? No?
No.
You never?
Never. Because we just not trust nobody that much.
Oh yeah, so man, and you know, because Jesus Christ.
Then I tell you.
They want to do it and you not have to do it.
You don't have to do it back. You don't have to do nothing.
Me I idiot people.
That's why me and you people.
Yeah.
So you've done it before then? Oh, yeah. I can't believe you never sit in your film.
Me never did it. Me never try it. Me afraid.
Oh, wow.
Because me don't know. Me afraid.
Yes, I've been knowing first.
Alright. Alright, do you guys like it rough?
Yeah. Sometimes.
So,
Most times.
like, what about choking on the neck?
Yes.
You like it? You like it?
Me choking to death.
No, like him choke you.
Yeah. Okay. If me come.
And slap?
I'm sorry. Yeah, for me ass. Like when me come, me come me da like it.
Yeah, rough like
Uh-huh.
you're not
Yeah,
done.
it's when you rough me when me come quicker, more.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one more. And stuff like that.
That's my reflection.
Alright. So, when a guy come too quick, I couldn't good your wall just too good. Like, what, like,
No,
why?
I mean, me don't do. I guess I'm. Hey, no more for me. No. Come on. Don't put me here.
They say I forget yours first.
Listen, I'm telling you something, man. If me not come 3 times, I will think of where you want to come.
Come 3 times.
3 times before you can think. Me not say, come in and think about it. Hello, hey, I'm not play with me now.
I'm missing out.
Play with me. I'm saying, I love it.
I love it.
Guys, hold on. I want to show you something.
So, it can't go for you, or is it just for like us? I like back shot.
Apples and bananas. It's a minute like it's no you
Guys,
apples and bananas, you know.
This vlog is not for kids.